Hey, what's happening? Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to the channel. My name is Vince, and first things first, thank you for stopping by. You didn't have to, so I really appreciate that. All right, if it's your first time to the channel and you want to learn more about money and how to win the money game, make sure you start by liking this video and subscribing for more. Now, let's get to the topic of today's video: the 7 rules of money, how to win the money game. I believe that is the best time in human history to be successful and get your money right, all right? Because literally information is in the palm of your hands, okay? And believe it or not, it's not an accident to become successful, all right? Most people who become successful know that they're gonna become successful. It's an intentional act. So you have to believe in yourself. You have to understand that being successful is not an accident at all. It's the people who know and who follow a game plan and who follow some rules that get them to the places that they are. Understand that this is a process though. And I'm not there yet, but I'm working my way there. And these are the 7 rules of money that I follow on the daily. You already know what time it is. It's time to stop playing and get your money right. Let's get right into rule number 1. Money is a game, and with every game you have to understand that there are rules to the game. So in order to win that game, you have to understand each and every rule to maximize your chances of success. So for example, let's say you're playing the card game Uno, all right? And matter of fact, this might not even be a good example because people play Uno in different ways, but but you know the gist. You get what I'm saying. If you don't know the rules to Uno, you're gonna get blasted. You're gonna get trapped. You're gonna get cracked. Okay, you're not gonna win the game at all. So that's rule number 1. It's real simple. Rule number 2: money rewards value, not hard work. I know what you're saying, Vince, but all my life I've been told if you want to make some money, you gotta work hard. Okay, that's true. That is true. Okay, but you also have to bring value. If you're working hard at the wrong thing, you're not gonna make too much money, because you can work as many hours as possible, but guess what? There's a limit. There's only 24 hours on the day. There's a book called Think and Grow Rich that says money is in direct proportion to the amount of value that you bring, or something like it says. It's something like that. So the more value that you give to people, the more money you get back in return. So think about it. The people who make us laugh and entertain us and solve our problems, those are the people who make the most money out here, man. That's just how it is. The more value that you bring, the more money that you get in return. Rule number 3 is money loves to work. It hates sitting still. Have you ever heard of the saying, make money while you sleep? That's because money does not get tired. It doesn't care. It doesn't have feelings, right? As long as you put it to work, the more it will work. It wants to work for you. That's what you have to understand. A lot of people just think that, you know what, I can just sit my money under my bed and in the bed frame and, I'll be rich one day. But that's not how it happens. People get rich because they let their money work for them. Okay, my stepdad used to say this all the time: work smarter, not harder. You don't have to work as hard as your money. Let your money work for you. And that brings me to the rule of 72. Okay, if you don't know the rule of 72, you missing out. The rule of 72 you have to understand, because that's compound interest, which is like the 8th wonder. I don't know how many wonders we got in the world now, but it's one of the wonders of the world. All right, and the rule of 72 basically says you take 72 divided by the interest rate, and that's going to tell you how fast your money is going to double. So if you're investing into the stock market, which since 1926 has given a return of about 10%, that means your money is going to double every 7.2 years. Versus now, if you put your money in the savings account, which the national average is about 0.1%, 72 divided by 0.1% is 720 years. And I don't know about you, but I don't have 720 years to be waiting on my money to grow. All right, step number 4, cash flow is king. Okay, there's a reason why millionaires all over the world tell you that you need 5 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, As many streams of income as you can control, that's how many streams that you need. And when it comes to these cash flow streams, they're pretty much in 3 different categories. Most people have the first 2, but I got a third that I like to throw in there. So the first 2 is active income and passive income. We all know what active income, that means you actively put in the work. You go to work every day to make this money. Passive income is you put money into an investment, to some vehicle that's gonna make money passively for you. That's gonna make money when you're not even there. And the last one I like to say is retirement income or future income. This is the money that you're gonna be making in the future, okay? Not right now. That's active and passive. That's the money that's gonna fund your life right now. But the retirement, the future income, that's the money that's gonna fund you in the future, okay? You gotta always think ahead. Rule number 5, enough is never enough. So there's this study, I'm gonna look it up here somewhere. I heard about it, but I'm gonna look it up so that you can see it. And if I do, it'll pop up right here somewhere, where it says like, when we make more money, just naturally as human beings, we are gonna spend more money. So no matter how much money that you make, you're going to want to spend more. That's just the nature of humans, okay? We get more, we take more. You give a human an inch, they're going to want to take a yard. That's just how we are. We always want more, okay? You have to understand that this is a never-ending process. This is a lifelong process till the day that you die. All right, so warning, once you start making some money, once you get into this lifestyle of saving money and investing money and create money, you gonna want, it's never gonna end. All right, and that's a good thing, because listen, the reason why you don't want it to end is because you want your family to have longevity. All right, you want to create a legacy and build something that's gonna be able to be passed down to the next generation. All right, I like to think forward. I like to think in the future. All right, so it's not necessarily about me right now. It's about my grandkids and their grandkids and their grandkids in the future. That's how you gotta think. All right, now let's get to number 6, and that's protect your assets. Protect your assets. All right, protect your money. Biggie made a song called "More Money, More Problems." That is so true. When you start making money, people are gonna wanna come after you. People are gonna start hitting you up that you haven't talked to in years, asking you for money. Trust me, it's gonna happen. It's just the nature of the game. Whenever people see that you have something, they want it too. It's just nature. That's just how it is. Like, think about it. When you're scrolling down Instagram and you're seeing all these people with houses and cars and stuff, you're like, dang, like, I want a house. Dang, like, I want a car. Dang, like, when am I gonna get married? You know what I mean? So you want to take everything that you have, everything that you do, everything that got your money tied to it, and treat it like a business. All right, you don't want too many things to be joined and commingled. You want everything to be separate. If you have a business and you have a job, you want to keep those 2 things separate. All right, create another account strictly for your business, create another account strictly for your job, separate the 2, treat it like a business, and get the right stuff. Protect it, get insurance, whatever you need to cover your behind in case somebody want to come after you, because it is going to happen. You hear it all the time. Rich people getting sued left and right for God knows what. All right, people just come up out of the woodwork with things and want to blame people with money so that they can get money. It's a whole game out here. Be aware. That's why I'm telling you these rules. The final rule to the rules of money and how to win the money game: money is neutral. In other words, money is emotionless. So money is going to do whatever you tell it to do. It has no feelings. It has no tie to anybody. It just knows that if you have it, tell me what to do so that I can do it for you. That's what money is. It's not going to backtalk you. It's not going to suck its teeth at you. It's not going to feel sick one day and I don't feel like doing nothing for you. It's always going to be the same. A lot of rappers say, I don't trust nobody, but I trust money. What did Uzi say? All my friends are dead. Like, he was talking about money, because money don't switch up on you. There's another thing about this rule. it's not going to fix your insecurities either. So just because it's neutral, it's emotionless, and you have it and you're able to do whatever you want to do with it, it's not going to fix how you feel inside, okay? Money is its own entity. It can't make you happy. It can't fix all your situations. Yes, having money can help, but it's not going to fix all your insecurities and everything that you got going on personally. That's between you and you. Trust me, money is helpful. It can get you out of certain situations, but it's not going to fix everything. All right. You have to understand that. You have to be aware and understand that about money. So those are the 7 rules of money. Go down in the comments, talk to me in the comments, tell me which rule was your favorite. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking me out. If you got value out of this video and you learned a little bit of something, go ahead and like this video. Also subscribe to the channel, and then hit that notification bell, and that's going to let you know every single time I drop a new video. All right. Till next time, stop playing. Get your money right, and remember, believe in yourself, invest in yourself, and most importantly, love yourself. Peace.